Hey, stop. Before you scroll, give me 2 minutes, because what I'm about to show you could completely change how you grow on Instagram, and how you create content, and how you make serious money starting today. Imagine this for a second. What if you could run an entire Instagram account without editing reels, without editing captions, without searching for hashtags, without even knowing what to post? Sounds crazy, right? Let me ask you something. Be honest. Why are you still doing Instagram the hard way? Every time you create a reel, every time you write a caption, every time you search for hashtags, how much time are you wasting? Hours editing, hours thinking, hours guessing. And what do you get? Low reach, low engagement, slow growth. And here's the frustrating part. Instagram rewards one thing above everything else: consistency. But consistency is hard when everything is manual. So tell me, why are you trying to grow a 2026 Instagram account with outdated manual methods? That's exactly why we built something completely different, something faster, something automated, something built for growth. Introducing InstaAI Studio, the world's all-in-one AI Instagram growth machine powered by Manus AI Agent, a system that creates, optimizes, and scales your entire Instagram content automatically. With InstaAI Studio, you can now create viral reels with auto captions, generate posts, hooks, and captions instantly, discover trending content before it blows up, build high-performing hashtags automatically, design thumbnails and creatives easily, scale multiple Instagram accounts, all from one dashboard, no skills, no editing, no guesswork. Which means no more wasting hours creating content, no more struggling for ideas, no more using multiple tools, no more inconsistent posting, no more slow growth. Everything runs in one place. And here's where it gets insane. With InstaAI Studio, you can now grow niche Instagram pages fast, build massive follower bases, drive traffic to offers, sell products or services, or even manage accounts for clients. But wait, here's the real opportunity. Once you have this system, you can start your own Instagram agency, offer content creation and growth services to businesses, restaurants, local brands, influencers, coaches, e-commerce stores, and charge $500, $800, even $1,000 per month per client. And the best part, you don't do the work. The AI does everything for you. Now, here's the kicker. Instead of paying for multiple editing tools, captioning tools, hashtag tools, design apps, you get everything in one platform. For a one-time investment, no monthly fees, no hidden costs, no complicated setup. And you're fully protected by a 30-day money-back guarantee. Don't love it? Not satisfied? Change your mind? You get every penny back. No risk. But here's the truth. Most people will keep struggling, keep wasting time, keep posting inconsistent content, while a small group of smart creators automate everything, grow faster, and dominate Instagram. So the real question, do you keep doing everything manually, or do you let AI create, grow, and scale your Instagram for you? If you're ready to grow followers faster, create content effortlessly, save hours every day, start your own Instagram agency, turn attention into income, then click below. Get InstaAI Studio. Turn on your AI Instagram engine and start growing on autopilot. No skills, no stress, no limits, just results. This is your move. Don't miss it.